Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your Twitch account. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you have not logged out from the Twitch application on your device, open up the Twitch app and you will directly be taken into the homepage from which you can scroll through various different live streams. Now, if you wish to log out from your account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you will be taken into your profile page. Now tap on account settings and then from this page scroll all the way down and then tap on Logout. You will then be asked whether you are sure that you wish to log out from your account. Tap on the Logout button and this will log you out from your Twitch application right away. You will then be taken into the login as well as the sign up page from which you can proceed with your credentials whenever you wish to log back in once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from the Twitch application on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.